What's up, everybody? It's Game with Joe here, and today, a pretty rainy night. I mean, rainy morning, not a night. Sorry. Oh my god. Look how hard it's raining, man. So dark, but in real life, it's actually pretty dark, but. Oh man. Looks scary. Oh man. Yo, in Clash Royale, almost at tier 30. 3 tiers away to get the tower skin. Can't wait for it. Alright, let's do this. Can't wait for it, man. Let's log in Clash Royale. Rainy day of playing Clash Royale. Ooh, let's go, boys. Yep, don't forget to subscribe, everybody, you know. Alright. Yo, no, 2 tiers, not 3 tiers. So, almost as well. Actually, we at like, we're at tier 17, so we are still at 3 tiers away. Right? Wasn't that active today? Yesterday was pretty active. People was yelling, fighting. Oh man, it was fun, man. Yesterday we did so much fun things. Oh man, it was fun yesterday. No, like don't worry, it will be pretty active in the afternoon. Alright, let's do this, boys. Let's do this. Oh, right here, man. Alright, turn the lights on. Uh-oh. Poor teammate, man. You got. I don't think. Oh no. Whoops. My bad. No. No. Don't do that. Okay. We got this. We still got this, boys. Zap this. Oh no. It's not good. Well, who cares? Quitting matters. I'll do it in the next video. Almost. Alright. Let's see this. It's raining, man. Alright. It's pretty dark here. Oh, it's pretty dark. Pretty darn dark. Leave in the comments that if you see something scary in my house. Yeah, it's actually pretty scary. Pretty dark. Alright, see, tomorrow, or no, not tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, I think I might get the legendary chest. There are 2 legendary chests, 6 zaps, man. Just so you know that, and Sunday, I'm going to America, United States, I'm going to, Las Vegas, and it's called Las Vegas. It's let me see, Las Vegas. No. I don't think that's how you say it, right? Did I say it right? I don't really know that place. I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to. Wait, what's it? It's called Las Vegas. Let's search it up. There. Twice Las Vegas. I forgot. It's called Las Vegas. Wait. Las Vegas. Oh, I said it right. I don't really know that much about Las Vegas. This is why I don't think I'm saying it right. I'm gonna be living in Las Vegas for 2 days, and I'm going to Los Angeles. It's kind of reminded about GTA 5 Los Santos. I think it is. Or I don't know. After Los Angeles, then I'm going to Washington. After Washington, then San Francisco. That's where I'm going. Very fun, man. America. We're gonna go to Disney World, on the beach. Oh, a lot of fun stuff to do. Yeah, I'm going there for 2 weeks after those, and I'm going to, I don't know, maybe Florida, I don't know. Oh man, we're at Canada right now. Can't wait for to go to America, United States. Got this thing here, got the money, got the money on us, man. Take my drawing, boys. Oh, where's my drawing? Oh, where's... You know, I'm actually a pretty terrible drawer. I'm just gonna see. This is me, and this is me. Terrible, isn't it? The suit and glasses, hair. I'm not gonna the lips and I'm not gonna be rude. Skin color looks bad to me because I don't have. I'm out of color. I'm sorry if I'm being rude. This picture's a bit dark. It's a bit dark. And this stupid drawing. Here we go. Oh, I need your help, man. How to fix my PS4? My PS4 haven't turned in a long time. It's like I need a UBS. I'll just tell my dad to fix it next time. I'm gonna do a shout out of Kenny 2.0, and he plays Clash Royale. He's gonna help me. Man, this is great. Right, Clash Royale. Alright. I just finally got tick in Brawl Stars. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this piece of crap here. I'm gonna show you this ticky boy. My account in Brawl Stars is pretty crappy, you know. Just you know. See? Oh, finally made it here. Ticky just got tick yesterday. No, 2 days ago. Not yesterday. That was like in Saturday. Alright, got Freelium. And what should I get? Oh, don't get enough. This game hates me, man. Buy some of these bad boys. And I'm wasting money. Okay, I better start buying. Should I do it? I'm gonna be a piece of crap. Buy it. No. You know what? I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna be a piece of crap right now. Right. Ooh, one more to go. This big bad boy here, I really need it. My fat boy. Not big boy. Man, I really want it. Yeah, I really want that, but too bad. I really want Crow. Alright, guys, I think this is it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.